one of the biggest disasters the industry could ever face. The crypto industry was left flattered when the fall of Terra almost wiped out $60 billion from the market in mass valuation. Multiple factors were involved in this crash, and market manipulators and mass liquidators played a major role in this move. This event, which has been outrageous for investors and marketers, has brought great learning to future investors.
And then the crypto says, but Terra was, now Terra Classic. And as the coin's 908.46% surge from the fall, regain the trust it once had, or will it collapse? The Terra Classic price has now again caught the eyes of investors with the help of its performance. Buckle up as we decode the future and possible Terra LUNC price prediction 2023, 2025, and the years to come. The statistics are from press time. The LUNC coin is seeing trading in a closed range of 0.000540 and 0.006193 for a brief period, following which the market gained momentum and the price surged. Price has been experiencing massive price volatility, with the price recording significant gains in value. The FXD displays a fading green histogram, indicating a decline in the price action for the coin. Further, the chart shows a decline in the averages, suggesting the prices will possibly experience a correction in coming time. And if the bulls continue to gain power and hold the price above the resistance level of 1,708,004 the coin will regain momentum and make a run to test its upper resistance level at $60 or $41 soon. Further, if the price continues to rise, it will prepare itself to test the resistance level at 60 or 91,726 in the coming time. On the other hand, if the bears overpower the bulls, the LUNC price will lose momentum and make a drop to test its support level at 0.0007255. Moreover, if the bears continue to dominate the market, the price will continue to fall and test its lower resistance at 0.0006193 in the coming days. Terra Rebels is a decentralized organization having come together with the common goal for the Terra Classic ecosystem. Their purpose is to bring back strength to Terra Classic that once had. The Terra Rebels are currently working on bringing the LUNC price to 0.001 mark. The token has been constantly trading in a descending trend since the start of February. My Terra bulls are repeatedly failing to hold the price, resulting in the price to lose value and record new lows regularly. The price was trading in a descending trend line. Following the price jump, the coin attempted to break out of it, but failed. The price recently displayed an impressive bounce back as the prices regained the trading levels of July by adding a huge value in its portfolio. The MACD has displayed constant price fluctuations in its chart, indicating an uncertainty in the price action. Further, the histogram displays a rising green histogram, suggesting a possibility of the coin to trade under the bullish influence in the coming days. The investors are uncertain about the coin because of its price volatility. If the project falls prey to the bears, then Terra Classic price might trade between 0.00 and $55 to 0.18 and 14 with an average of 78.89 by the end of the year. So if it manages to hold on to its prominence against that of Terra, however, if the crypto industry undergoes major reforms with regulatory clampdowns by governments across the globe, with keeping in mind the bullish and bearish pressure, LUNC price may trade between $0.3000885 to bullish in dollars 488 with an average of bullish in 300131. Furthermore, the coin market industry will spectate numerous changes by the end of 2025. Terra Classic could see impetus from the team and may come up with a revival of the plan. However, the Terra Classic price might chug up to a maximum of 0.00675 by the end of 2025. On contrast, if the digital asset finds a lack of developments and impetus, the LUNC price might land to 51 consension. Additionally, the regular price could be at 59.5. According to our analysts, LUNC prediction for the year 2026 could range between $1,633 to $1,801, and the average Terra price could be around $1,007.28. According to our analysts, Terra price for the year 2027 could range between 0.000754 to 0.000917, and the average Terra Classic price could be around 0.00043. According to our analysts, Terra's price prediction for the year 2028 could range between 9,000 and 98 to 0130, and the average price of LUNC could be around 011. According to our analysts, LUNC's forecast for the year 2029 could range between 0.00116 to 0.00165, and the average price of Terra Classic could be around $2,141. According to our analysts, Terra price predictions for the year 2030 could range between 0.00148 to 0.00212 ounces, and the average price in LUNC could be around 0.0018. We have made a table that includes the possible price prediction for the same token made by other crypto analysts on their respective platforms. The targets mentioned above are the average targets set in either respective firms. The constant upgrades and partnerships could, however, boost the price of Terra Classic.
Furthermore, according to Coinpedia's formulated Terra Classic price prediction and bullish market sentiments, Luna's price manuing skyrocket to 0.000914 by the end of the year 2023.
Conversely, market fluctuation and increased competition may adversely affect Terra's price, as a result of which the digital asset could collapse to $0.000055. With the help of its fiat-pegged stablecoins, Terra intends to set itself apart with the help of its fiat-pegged stablecoins. As a result, it combines the benefits of cryptocurrencies with the day-to-day price stability of fiat currencies. Moreover, the protocol holds a number of partnerships with payment platforms which justify its strengths. Conversely, Terra is also supported by the Terra Alliance. Meanwhile, in February 2019, the company reported e-commerce platforms from 10 different countries with a user base of 45 million. Moreover, a gross commodities value of $25 billion were members of the alliance. After the Terra crash, the crypto relaunched itself. Terra had a new version known as Terra Luna 2.0, while the old version would be known as Terra Luna 2 Classic LUNC. The price significantly fell after an initial rise. Binance has voluntarily started to burn the tokens in order to bring it back to stability. And a Terra Classic is a blockchain protocol launched in 2018 by Daniel Shin and Du Quan. The digital asset was created with a vision to adjust the model economy's flexibility. As per the white paper, Terra Classic employs a price stabilization algorithm. Moreover, it constantly balances the supply of a coin with the aim of keeping the prices stable.
Additionally, the network offers lower fees, high scalability, stability, and reliable financial assets. Moreover, the protocol's native asset is LUNC, which addresses a host of issues related to speed, scalability, and accessibility. And you also want to understand the primary language of crypto and pro-crypto traders. So here's a guide for you to understand what cryptocurrency is. The crypto first debuted in the market with an initial ICO of $0.8 per trade value. With the help of a partnership, the coin managed to reach $1 for the first time with an ATH of $1.13 by end of July. There's a huge setback when the coin value was dragged down to 55.8 DAT per trade by the end of the year.
The year started off dull as the price had started off with a trading value of $231. No major changes were seen in the price of crypto for the next half of the year. The listing of Wolby helped the coin gain X2 value to $0.5632 per share. The crypto had ended the trading year with a good result. The closing trade price was $2,59 for that year. On the year of bullish market,
The value of the coin skyrocketed to $21 from $64.94 within the first 3 months of the year. Luna gave a Christmas gift to its investors by reaching an ATH of $101.27. The close-in trade value of the coin for the year was $90.97. The year started off with stable fluctuations in the graph. As the month of May arrived, there was a horrific crash in the market, which shattered the price of the Terra Classic. It was a disaster, as the price had almost reached a valuation of $0. New version was launched as Terra Luna 2.0, while the old version would be known as Terra Luna Classic LUNC. And Binance started to voluntarily burn the coins in order to bring it back to stability. A total of 5.5 billion tokens, or 0.08% of the coin's circulating supply, was burnt. Coinpedia has dedicated a team of expert analysts to cover the possible crypto price prediction and sum it all up in one place just for you. But after the tragic losses post the DPEG event, nothing much can be said about the altcoin. According to our Terra Classic price prediction, the LUNC price could soar to a maximum of $11,114 by the end of 2023. LUNC hit its ATL of $1,600 and $1,675 on the 13th of May, 2022. According to Coinpedia's Terra LUNC price prediction, the LUNC price could possibly reach as high as 0.000675 by the end of 2025. Terra Classic is predicted to reach a high of 0.00212 by the end of 2030. The chances of the altcoin reclaiming its AF now seem to be bleak. At the time of publishing, the price of one LUNC was quarters and new factors of all Americans as prices, both 0.008020 cents Detroit